Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about our family holiday to the RIU Costa del Sol hotel in Torremolinos, Spain. We actually came home about a month ago now, but it's taken me a little while to put this video together just because I've been so poorly. I got poorly on the last day that we were in Spain, so it was really bad timing, but at least we got to enjoy most of the holiday. Anyway, without further ado, let's get to Spain. The taxi journey from Malaga airport to the hotel in Torremolinos was about 15 minutes, so didn't take long at all. As you come in through the main door, you've got there in front of you the reception area, you've got this seating area, and then when I turn the camera around, you'll see that there is a bar there as well. We checked in and we were given our wristbands, so we were able to get a drink straight away. Now for the room tour. Just to the right as you come in, you have a toilet which is separate from the rest of the bathroom. There's no sink in there, so you do still need to be able to go back into the bathroom to wash your hands. So we did find it quite helpful to have the toilet separately when we've got a little one that's dying for the toilet when you're in the shower. There were tea and coffee making facilities and a small fridge. There was a bottle of water left in our fridge. Some of our family members who came with us in other rooms didn't have water in their fridge, so I'm not really sure if that comes in the fridge or not. Maybe someone just left their water in our fridge, I'm not sure. But these big bottles of water were always available from the bar, so if you just wanted to go to the bar and get yourself a big bottle of water and bring it back to the room, you were able to do that, and that was included in the all-inclusive. Coming into the bathroom now, you've got this nice big shower, you have 2 sinks and a big mirror. A member of the party that we came with has disabilities and uses a wheelchair, so we were specifically looking for a hotel that has a shower with the grab rails. I can't quite remember whether it was completely walk-in. It might have been 1 step, but I can't remember, so I can't guarantee. But she was able to get in and out of there quite easily. And we've also got the hairdryer there. In the first room, you've got a double bed here, which is a sofa bed. We never put it away. We didn't have it as a sofa at all, so I can't tell you what it was like as a sofa, how comfy it was or anything like that. We just kept it as a bed the whole time. You've got a wardrobe there and it's got some hangers in it. And then you have got a TV as well on the wall. Looking out onto the balcony, you've got a little drying rail to dry your clothes, and you've got 2 chairs and a little mini table there. The balcony looks out onto the little toddler pool, and you can also see round the corner there's the bigger pool as well. Coming into the main bedroom, you can see we've got the double bed there and the TV. We've got a window, there's no balcony in this room, just a window. You've also got a chair and a small table. There's a bedside table on either side of the bed and also a wardrobe. The wardrobe contained a safe and also some hangers. That concludes the room tour, so now we're heading over to the main restaurant. This is a buffet style restaurant and it is open for breakfast, lunch and dinner. There was also some seating which was outside. In this restaurant, the drinks are self-service, so you've got a self-service part here with fizzy drinks, you had wine and beer, you also had some fruit juices and water. You could also find these self-service drinks machines around the pools. I'm now coming over to show you the food. This was right at the end, about 10 minutes away from the end of the lunch service. so they weren't really refilling the food anymore. So some of these plates here do look a little bit bare, but it wasn't like this normally. This was literally just because it was right at the end of the service. I actually found the food choices to be really good. There was lots of different meat dishes, veggie dishes, salads, vegetables, soup and bread. There was all different rice and pasta dishes, seafood, chips, chicken nuggets and hot dogs. So yeah, there was a lot of choice. And then it was on to dessert. There was lots of different fruit, ice creams with sprinkles and chocolate and sauces, as well as all these little individual cakes, cheesecakes, Swiss rolls, jelly, sweets, yogurt. There was all sorts. Now we're coming over to RIU Land, which is the kids club. This was open from 10:30 in the morning till 12:45. It was closed for lunch and then it reopened at 2:30 until 4 p.m. My daughter Lissy turned 5 whilst we were on holiday, and they really went out of their way at the kids club to make her feel special on her birthday. Now we're coming outside to one of the outdoor pools. I'm pretty sure these pools have names, but I'm not sure what they are, so I'll just kind of explain where they are. So this one was the one that we could see from our room balcony. So you have the main pool, and you also have next to it just a tiny toddler splash pool. Next to these pools, you also have a snack bar, which is open during the daytime. You can go up and help yourself to food. It's kind of a buffet style. It's quite small. They serve hot dogs, burgers, chips, and then there's usually a vegetarian option each day, which seem to change each day. There was a little bit of salady bits and some sandwiches, sauces, and also bread rolls. There are quite a few activities that you can do for entertainment around the hotel. Some of the ones that I spotted include archery and darts. There's also this RIU Fit area, and they do various classes here. The hotel even has its own volleyball area. This is the main entertainment area. There's entertainment here every evening. It starts with the children's entertainment earlier on in the evening, and then later on there's other family kind of orientated entertainment. I'd recommend downloading the RIU app because you can have a look on there and it tells you what the entertainment program is, where things are happening, what time. The entertainment area is indoors. There's some glass doors at the back, and these open up out onto like a decking area. There's another bar out here, and you can sit out here and kind of look into the entertainment area. And if you're lucky, you might be able to grab a table that has one of these heaters. Now I'm going to show you the Italian restaurant, which was my favourite restaurant. We had to pre-book to eat here. We were a little confused when we first ate here, as when we came in, the waiter told us that everything that was on the buffet was a starter, and we were given a menu to order our main course. But as you can see from this footage, the buffet was quite a lot. Like, you could have had your full meal from this buffet without having anything from the menu, and some people did choose to do that. They just had things from the buffet. But yeah, this is meant to be the starters, and then you can order from the menu, and then they also have desserts too, which are also buffet style. This restaurant was different to the other restaurants in that you ordered your drinks and they were brought to the table rather than help yourselves. We're now coming out to another pool, which we haven't yet seen in this video. This pool faces out towards the beach. We decided that we wanted to spend some time at the beach, so we walked over there, and I've done a quick video here to show you just how close the beach is to the hotel. After our time at the beach, we went back and got ready and we went into the entertainment area. We were there for Halloween and they went to lots of effort to put on entertainment to meet the theme. The next day we spent some time at the pool again, and we also went to this little splash park which my 5-year-old absolutely loved. It was pirate ship themed. It's got all the little splash park bit, but then it's also got a little climbing wall. There are some beds in this area and it's all fenced off, so you can come into this area, you can bring drinks in as well, they're all in plastic cups, and then you can just relax while your little ones play in a safe area. In the evening, we headed to another restaurant that we hadn't been to yet. This one is I think it's called Sardina. We needed to book a table at this one as well. But to be honest, it was a buffet restaurant and I didn't really find it any different to the main buffet restaurant. The next day was our last day, so we decided that we would go to the spa and we booked a couples massage. You can book this using the app, or you can always go into the spa and speak to somebody at the reception. Now that brings me to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and please do check out my channel for other holiday reviews. You'll also find other videos on general mum life. Please do subscribe to my channel as well. I put a lot of effort into my videos and I'm fairly new to YouTube, so I'm trying to build on my subscribers. So it would be really, really helpful and I'd be so grateful. Thank you so much. Bye.